Baby Jogger, City Select, and City Select LUX. This video will show you how to turn your City Select and City Select LUX into a double stroller by attaching your second seat. On City Select, remove the front adapter covers. When facing the stroller, match the R adapter with the right mounting bracket slot at the front of the stroller and push down until it clicks into place. The covers do not detach on the City Select LUX. Instead, the plastic covers will swing open as you push the adapters in. Repeat on the left side with the L adapter. Align mounting brackets on the second seat with the top of the adapters. Insert seat onto adapter brackets until it clicks into place. The second seat can be installed forward-facing or parent-facing. In parent-facing mode, the footwell rotates to make more room for both children's feet. And that's how you convert your City Select and City Select LUX into a double stroller. For more information, visit the City Select or City Select LUX page on babyjogger.com.